Lighting up your business, the basics of commercial lighting. Hello, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a topic that lights up our world in more ways than one: commercial lighting. This concept might sound straightforward, but there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. Whether you're a business owner, an aspiring designer, or just curious about how lighting impacts our daily environments, this video is for you. Let's dive into the bright world of commercial lighting together. At its core, commercial lighting refers to the use of lighting in spaces and buildings that are designed for business purposes. This includes a wide range of environments, such as offices, retail stores, restaurants, and more. Unlike residential lighting, which focuses on creating a cozy and comfortable atmosphere for living, commercial lighting aims to enhance productivity, sales, and aesthetics in business settings. It's not just about making a space bright. It's about strategic placement and choice of lighting to achieve specific objectives. When we talk about commercial lighting, we're referring to several types, each serving a different purpose. Ambient lighting. This is the main source of light in a space, providing overall illumination. It's like the sunlight of an indoor environment, enabling basic visibility and safety. Task lighting. As the name suggests, task lighting is focused on specific areas to assist in activities like reading, cooking, or working at a desk. It's all about enhancing functionality and reducing eye strain. Accent lighting. This type is used to highlight architectural features, products, or art, creating visual interest and drawing attention to specific points in a space. Decorative lighting. Beyond functionality, decorative lighting adds aesthetic appeal, often serving as a design element itself with unique fixtures and styles. Why does commercial lighting matter? It's not just about visibility. Lighting affects mood, perception, and behavior. In retail, well-designed lighting can attract customers and boost sales by making products look more appealing. In offices, good lighting can enhance employees' productivity and well-being by reducing eye strain and improving mood. In hospitality, lighting sets the atmosphere, influencing how guests feel about their environment. Simply put, commercial lighting plays a crucial role in the success of any business. We hope this exploration of commercial lighting has shed some light on why it's such a critical component of business environments. Whether you're designing a new space or looking to improve an existing one, considering how you use lighting can make a significant difference in achieving your business goals. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been enlightening. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.